I'm Quee, Director of Products for Small Form Factor Data Diodes at OPSWAT, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a FEND optical diode in 3 minutes or less. Alright, the first thing you're going to do when you get your new data diode is open up the box. And on top you're going to find your Getting Started card. This is important. It has the IP address and login information, including your password, that you're going to need to log into your new diode. So set that to the side. Then remove your diode from the box and remove the top cardboard insert to get to the power supplies and Ethernet cable underneath. Okay, first you're going to plug in the output side of your diode. Like this. Screw in that power supply, followed by the input side. Then you're going to plug in the Ethernet cable to the input side of the diode. That's where the configuration takes place. And into your computer. Alright, the diode comes on the IP address 192.168.199, so you need to make sure that your laptop or computer is on the same subnet as the device before you try to log in. Then, just open up any web browser and type in that IP address. And then your username and password that's on your Getting Started card. Then click Sign In. And now you're into your new data diode. Well, on the login screen, you're going to see 4 different sections of the configuration interface. On the left-hand side, you're going to see input side settings. That configures the IP address and protocol for the input side of the diode. In the middle of the screen, you'll see system information, firmware updates, those sorts of things. On the right-hand side of the user interface, you'll see output side settings for IP address and protocol of the output side of the diode. And then up top, there are other system settings that allow you to change your password or export your configuration of your diode. So what you want to do is make changes, either update the IP addresses for the input side and output side, and change it to the protocol settings that you want, whether that's FTP, TCP, UDP, you name it, and then do those settings. Once that's set up to your liking, you go up to the top and click on the button that says Save and Exit. That will apply your settings, and then all you need to do is plug your diode into your network, and you're ready to go. If you're interested in learning more about data diodes or have questions, visit us at opswat.com.